Alright, today I will show you how to make samosas, right? Now these balls are made out of plain flour, water, salt, maybe a little sugar and oil. Remember, you make these balls, okay, as big as you want to accommodate the filling of the samosa, alright? Then you use your rolling pin and roll the pastry cover well. Remember, you can use cumin seeds or ajwain as the cover coating of this one, and then you need to cut it this way. All right, now I'll show you how to put the filling in. Basically, you can put anything: potato, minced meat, whatever you feel that is good for you. Now you put some water here, all three sides, right? All three sides, some water, and then you need to make sure you make this roll just like a beautiful diamond. All right, so this is one and this is the other, and then you need to put them together and close it. I will show you later. So you see now, this is how it's done, right? Diamond shape from the beautiful half moon. All right, and the filling is potato, peas, fried onion. You can put some garlic, ginger if you want, chili as much as you want as per the heat. All right, okay, remember to use a bit of flour, the dry flour, because that will help you the rolling pin not to stick to the beautiful pastry or the samosa cover, right? Okay, now we need to heat some oil in your fryer, or you can use oil on a small pot, but make sure there's sufficient oil, and then you keep your temperature at around 190, preheat it for sure, and then start dropping them one by one. All right, there you go. Take care of your hand and drop them one by one. All right, so keep watching the color. It'll take you around 15 minutes, and then you watch. It should not be dark brown, just light brown is okay. Okay, just strain it out, and time for you to place it on some. Okay, there you go. Good one, right? And finally, the samosas are ready, perfectly placed in the tray, ready to eat. You can eat it with coconut chutney, you can eat it with tomato sauce, barbecue sauce, any kind of sauce, but you will definitely enjoy this one. Thank you guys.